welcome back to my channel. I am back again with another video. My name is Nyasha and this is Makeup a Difference. So I am back with this video. This video is basically gonna be about behind the scenes of how I set up my little filming place. So I'm gonna a couple of clips showing you how I do my setup different. I'm actually doing a different side this time because I was hoping it was gonna be sunny, but I'm gonna show you how I do everything, and you know, in a quite small bedroom. We're hoping to be moving soon, so I have to film in my bedroom. I can't film in the living room because it'll be too squished, because the living room is already, or the lounge is already kind of small. We live in a one-bedroom flat, if you say so. Yeah, so I thought, let me do a video so you can see what it's like behind the scenes and how complicated it can be filming. You know, my hope is to, you know, have a studio where things stay, where I don't have to be closing them all the time and putting them away. Like, my husband has to help me all the time if I want to film this, and I'm going to show you all the equipment and the camera that I use. So if you want to see how this video is going to go, and yeah, carry on watching.
To start off, I just moved my table, my dressing table, out of the way. It's actually an art table, but I made it into a dressing table. So just depending on where I want to film, I film either side. So I've got a curtain there and I move it out the way in case I'm filming the other side. So I use 3 lights. I use a ring light and 2 soft boxes. I got these off Amazon, cheap, good quality, and I move everything out of the way so I can put this, and then I use my reflector. This is I got from Audi. It's actually supposed to be like a car protector, so I thought that would be a good reflector. So I put the reflector also on the table, so when I've got my camera and whatnot, the light bounces back to me. So this is how it's supposed to look. So I have light bouncing from the left and from the forward. So this is from the other side. So I just show you different sides on how everything will be looking. I'm gonna turn the lights on so you can see. So depending on the look I'm going for, I like to use this shields. It's like an orange one. It makes my skin look a little bit better, not too flushed out. So this is how it will be looking from the other side. So I like to decorate. Don't worry about the ripped wallpaper. I like to decorate my background, and I have like Christmas lights and just some ornaments that I have around the house. I like to just do that, you know, so that it looks good at the back. So I try my best to make it look good. So I have different, you know, decorations that I'm trying out just to see which one I want to try for the day. So it just depends what I'm feeling, but I always end up going for the same thing. You know, I like the silver, the gold, the white, or I just don't like the plain look. Move into the camera. So the camera I use to record is the M50. I started off with the M100, but upgraded to the M50, and I used the lens that came with it. I think it's the 16-45mm lens, if you know lenses. I also just purchased this 50mm lens. Yeah, I absolutely love this lens, but it's an EF lens, so I can't use it on its own. I have to pair it with an adapter, which I'm going to show you now, which is this VILTROX mount adapter, so it connects better to my actual camera, which is the M50. So I'm going to show you what I do to click them. Is basically just easy like that, and then I get a beautiful lens that is all in one. That's so beautiful. Love this lens. That's the one I'll be using to record most of my videos now, but if it's Instagram, I'll probably be using the 16-45mm lens. Back to my camera. One of the features I love about this camera is it's got this screen. You know, if you're a vlogger, this camera is beautiful. I've seen most people who use this as a vlogger. If you don't have to mirror your screen to a laptop somewhere, you can just flip the screen around, which is what I love. Moving on, I bought recently a mic because when I bought the 50mm lens, I didn't know that I have to move it a bit back because it crops in the image. So I used to rely on the mic camera, but I had to invest in a good mic, and I absolutely love this mic. I used it on my previous video. I'm still learning to use it, so the last time I used it, it was so close to me and you could hear the crows outside my back garden. But I love this mic. I'll have all the stuff that I use in a description box. Moving on to my tripod. So this is my tripod. It was actually from a light that I don't even use, so I thought, let me use it for my camera. This is when I record with my 16-45mm lens, so it's just easy to screw on. At the bottom, I just screw it on, and that's it. Can I just say, I used my S10 back camera to record this. How good is it? So I'll just flip the screen and turn it around. If I'm recording Instagram, I flip it like that, but if it's normal videos on YouTube, I flip it this way, and I'm able to see myself without a laptop or anything. So I'm going to show you how it looks on the other side, how I record. And yeah, so we got the beautiful lights, which are helpful even in a squished area. It all is helpful, you know, I make it work. So I just make sure I've got things ready with me, everything is looking peachy perfect.
Yeah, so that was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and you managed to get to see how it actually works, the troubles that I have to go through. But I love it all. I love it all. Through YouTube and stuff, I got to learn how to, you know, figure out and make it work for myself, and it works. You know, just little things can make a difference. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.